2020 Hyundai Veloster Special Edition. Let you guys hear it before. Give me gas. That's before. It still has a little bit of sound. We'll let you guys hear it after. In neutral, give it gas. Hold on. Again. That's what it sounds like before the resonator delete. So another 2020 Veloster Type N, different color. It's the special edition with the performance package. You can tell from the wheels and everything else. What we did on it, same thing. Resonator delete, a little baby one, and then it goes 3-inch all the way back into a 3-inch muffler, and it's got that exhaust valve right here, as you guys can see, and it changes the sound drastically because we just did another one and it was crazy. We'll let you guys hear the difference in a minute. That's what it looks like right there. Whoa, so first try that again. This is normal. Give it gas. Okay. Now Type N. What a huge difference. Go ahead and back it out straight. This sounds sick. I like it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.